Bem, pessoal, agora diretamente da Nürburgring, já fiz o briefing. Está chegando o grande momento de curtir a pista. Olhem só, duplinha de Golf GTI 2.7,5. Entretanto, esse daqui é um Nürburgring, tem roll cage, banco concha, cintos, M2, MK8, Cayman e 30. E olhem só a interna do Golf. Bancos conchas recaro, cintinho totalmente aliviado, até a forração do teto, roll cage completa, não é half, ela vem até aqui à frente, tudo exposto aqui, sensacional, né, galera? Esses specs que a galera usa em Nürburgring é coisa de outro mundo para quem curte carro. Reparem, até aqui a lateral de porta com fibra de carbono e só o puxadorzinho ali, que coisa linda. Provavelmente tem a suspensão coilover, pneu semi-slick. Pelo que eu vi, a galera se preocupa aqui com estabilidade de chão, motorzinho original para aguentar o sarrafo, hein? Que coisa linda. Bora lá. Bem, galera, chegou o momento de irmos para a pista. Friozinho na barriga tomando conta. Vou tentar compartilhar a volta completa com vocês. Essa primeira será com um instrutor bem na maciota, né? Porque eu não quero fazer nenhuma caca. Saída da Life basicamente é seguir reto. Cara, experiência sensacional, né? Mas confesso que dá um certo medinho, não da direção, mas sim do que pode acontecer. Olha só, é 36. BMW M2. Uma vibe indescritível, pelo amor de Deus. Outra coisa, eu optei por pegar o Nürburgring por conta dos bancos, do cinto, totalmente diferente. O instrutor aqui, pelo que o menino comentou lá, é brabo.
Here.
Left?
No, here, yeah. And now the straight line, and then turn right in front of the Nürburgring logo.
Oh.
So here to the right now, and you can pick any of the 3 gates. They're all the same. Yeah, you can just choose whatever you want. You decide.
Open.
Wrong side. All right, and put it on the gray part.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. That's it.
Thank you.
windows up again. Windows are up. Yeah, perfect. All right, watch out, there's a curve. Good. All right, so once we get out of the cones here, we can stay on the right side. We can accelerate and we stay on the right. See the black sign on the right side? We stay, we stay, we stay, and we go in. Always check your mirror. Yeah? Because sometimes there's a car overtaking. And now hold and in, no braking yet. Now straight line to the right, straight line to the left, no braking yet. Now brake. Car next to you?
Yeah.
Stay, brake, and in. Tight to the right, and power transition to the left. And short hard braking, off, in, tight and wide. Use all of the track. And now slowly over to the right again, or to the right, and brake, firm. Nice and hard, and in. Cut behind the white line, outside again and accelerate. Stay on the right, and over to the 2 kilometer sign, and just off the power, in, power again. No braking needed at this speed. At this speed, no braking needed. Stay tight, and out, and brake, hard, off, in, 1 car behind, brake, in, indicator right, and let him pass. Perfect. Now just wait on the right side until he is through. Good job. Good. All right, stay right, stay, and in. And accelerate outside. 3 kilometer sign, and brake. Off, in, tight. Transition, tight, and out. Good. 1 faster car behind, eyes on the road, off the power, stay right, stay right. And 1 more car coming, and brake, and stay right, and in. Indicator right, so he knows we will stay right.
Okay.
And you can stay on the right and power. He's got enough speed. All right. And in. Now a bit to the middle. Stay. And in again. Keep tight. Keep. Straight line now. Just a straight line. And brake. Did you notice? Brake a bit more. Off. Power in. You turn the wheel a little bit on the crest. And then you make the car a bit nervous. And brake. Firm. Harder. Yes, that's it. That was good. And in. And power out. Over to the right side. And in. Straight line. Too much steering. And brake gently, stay right. Stay and in. A bit of power. And outside. Brake. Off. In. Power. No braking.
Power.
And brake. In. Tight. Straight line. Straight. And brake. Stay outside, 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 outside. And in. Good job. Lift transition. Power. And out. And full power. Good. And slightly to the left. And straight line now. Straight line. Good. Bit more to the left. And brake. In a straight line to the right. Brake. Off. In. Power. Tight and outside. Straight line. Brake. Firm. In. Bit of power. More transition. More power outside. Good job. And brake. Hard. Downhill. Off. In. More steering angle. More. Out. Good. Turn a little bit and brake. Outside. Off. In. Power straight line. Turn a little bit too much. Brake. Brake. Too late. Too late on the braking. Too early on the turn in. And power. Stay tight. And now to the outside. And brake. Firm. Slow corner. Off. Cut. brake again, stay outside. Off, turning, a lot of steering, and power. Now one motion. Whoop. A bit smoother on the transition next time, but wasn't bad. No braking yet. Over to the right. Wait. Brake. Off. Car behind.
Yeah.
And power. And back to the left. And tap. Off. In. Power. Out. Good. Over to the right. Stay right. Straight line. Stay at this speed. No braking. In and power again. Short moment and brake hard. Hard, Felipe. Yes. Stay outside. Keep braking. Stay in. Turn. I see. Not enough braking, huh? Not enough pressure on the brake pedal. Car next to you. And stay on power. And in. Bring it tight. Keep tight. Stay on the power. Keep accelerating. Stay tight. And now to the outside. Outside, yeah. And not so aggressive, yeah?
Yeah.
And power. Straight line. You want to drive straight as much as possible. Cut and out again. Good. Not on the grass. And in. Straight line. And right side. And brake a little bit. Enough. In power. Right out. Stay right until the white sign. And now switch to the left. Lift. In power. Good job. Stay left. And brake. Firm. Firm. A bit too soft at the beginning. Keep tight. And power outside. We're now coming to the Caracciola carousel. We're going to take the inside.
Okay.
Stay right for now. And brake. And in. And now stay at the same speed. Around 50 to 60 kilometers. You can go a little bit faster. And power, exit. Tight to the right. Good job. Outside. Stay 3 or 4 moments. Switch to the right. Straight line now. Brake. Off. In. Power. Outside. Good job. Stay right. Just lifting. No braking. Yeah, entry was too early. You need to wait until I tell you. Power. Outside. Brake. Off. In. Bring it tight. Hold, hold, hold. Straight line to the left. Stay. Straight line. Brake, brake. Hop in. Tighten up. Straight line. Tight to the left. Brake a little bit. Off. In. Power. Good job. Stay left and brake. Hard. Off. In. A little bit of throttle. Keep tight. Don't run too wide on the exit. And back to the right. Brake. In. First apex, now a little bit to the middle. Hold your steering angle. Car behind.
Yeah.
Indicator right. Brake. Stay right. Good job. And outside. And brake again. Stay in. A lot of steering angle. No power yet. Now on the power. You don't want to accelerate before the apex. And brake. Stay. Stay. In. And now power. Straight line. Let it flow to the left. Straight line now. Hold this speed outside. And in. Good job. Straight line to the orange barrier piece. And tap off. Tap in. Power outside. And in again. Tight to the right. Transition with throttle. Outside. Stay, stay, stay. And in. Power. Stay. In. Tight. Stay on power. Straight line. Touch to the left. In. Power. right, straight line now, brake, in, power, and out, and brake hard, off, in, keep it tight, tighter, 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 and power. Stay tight, to the middle a little bit, and back to the left, and brake, off, in, power. Entry was a bit too late. Stay outside long, off the power, stay wide, and now in, wait, and now full power. Keep tight, full power, stay left now, power car coming, and off, and we slow down.
Very nice.
Good job. Nice. And now we slow down a little bit because here we have the end of the track.
Okay.
Well, goes, good job.
Yeah. Thank you. Very first G.
Yeah, you can now tell your friends how it was in your language, huh? Give them a little summary of your feelings first lap.
Yeah. Right?
Here to the right. And then you can go to the left side and just out here, this lane, perfect, yeah. And now be careful here, there may be cars coming. No, everything's fine. And now we go into the roundabout. We go to the left. And then we exit there.
Nossa, galera, não dá nem pra ficar. Falei muito porque a tensão, a força G e tudo mais. Vou ter mais uma voltinha.
You liked it? Alright, and then we go into the left here, just like you know. And you can park there in one of the spots.
Okay.
This one there. Oh, there? You can. All right. And then you can do your second lap now.
Yeah.
Your lap ticket is here. Yeah.
Okay.
Camera is still running. Have fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.